Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2017 GMC Yukon XL. This Yukon XL is featured in the Denali trim and is the onyx black paint finish. Under the hood is our 6.2-liter V8 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have 7-passenger seating on our cocoa and shale leather seating surfaces. In the back of the vehicle, we have a dual-screen DVD entertainment system, as well as heated second-row bucket seats. In the front of the vehicle, heated and cooled seats, a powered sunroof, GPS navigation, as well as a heated steering wheel and our full safety features. Outside the vehicle, we have alloy wheels, our roof rack with cross rails, as well as a powered liftgate. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors with a fold function, power windows, rear safety and child safety lock. The rest of the door we have some storage as well as our driver's seat memory with mirror memory and 2 memory settings. Bose speaker in the bottom of the door as well. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, at the top we have our heads-up display location, information and brightness. Lighting controls below. Then to the right of that we have our traction control, parking sensors, lane keep assist, power adjustable pedals, and our integrated trailer brake controller, power tilt telescopic column, as well as our controls for audio on the back of our steering wheel. Down the side of the driver's seat, we have power settings, and we can see the seat itself and the rest of our interior finished in our cocoa and shale leather. Have Denali trim up on our headrest. Getting into the vehicle and looking above the steering wheel, you can see our display cluster. In the middle, we have our digital information system. You can see we can adjust it throughout, and that's all done directly through the steering wheel. Have trip computers as well as fuel range, oil life reminder, our tire pressure monitors, a timer, as well as blank pages. Moving down to the right-hand side, we have cruise settings, our forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, and then these audio controls that were behind. Moving to the right-hand side, voice recognition, hands-free. Arrows are the controls for that driver information system. Then there's more audio controls behind, as well as our column shifter. Push to start ignition to the right of the steering wheel. In the center, we have our infotainment system. In audio, we have AM, FM, Sirius XM. We also have an MP3 player as well as a Bluetooth connection. Phone connection with phone projection. Our navigation system with a full GPS throughout. Settings, our video for our DVD and Blu-ray player for the rear media. And we have our text and OnStar on the first page. Second page has our traffic and stop. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we have our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Below that, we have our volume and mute key, radio, media, back and home hotkeys, controls for seek and track, menu controls if we don't want to be using the touchscreen. If we have a way to lift up our screen, and behind it we have storage and a USB plug. Then lastly, we have our eject as well as our DVD and CD player across the bottom. Below that, we have all of our climate settings. We have a tri-zone system. Front on either side here with a sync as well as auto. Rear climate is across the bottom, and we can turn it on or off as well as lock it from the front of the vehicle. Also have our AC and front and rear defrost options. On either side of it, we have heated driver's seat with a cooled option, as well as a heated passenger seat with cooled option as well. Then we have some storage and some power. We have a 12-volt plug and 2 USBs in the front of the vehicle. You can see our key fob in this storage space. On it, locks, unlocks, our powered glass, power tailgate, as well as our remote start and alarm system. Then we have 2 cup holders, leather finish center console with a wireless charging pad up top. Inside, we have some deep storage as well as our headphones for our DVD system, 12-volt plug as well as 2 more USBs and aux inside. Moving to the passenger seat, same cocoa and shale leather finish, Denali in our headrest as well, and heated, powered, and cooled for the passenger. Bottom of the rearview mirror, we have all of our OnStar settings. Moving above that rearview mirror, we have our 2 dome lights in the front of the vehicle, our universal garage door opener, slide tilt sunroof, our powered liftgate with our 3 powered settings, dome lighting controls for the whole vehicle. We have a sunglass holder. Then lastly, we have our sunroof in the front of the vehicle. And we can also see both our DVD screens in the front 2nd row as well as 3rd row. Now walking down the side of the vehicle. Hood of the vehicle at the front, we have our chrome slotted grille with GMC badging. Moving down the side to our front tire and rim, we have our chromed alloy rim with a GMC center cap. Denali badging with chrome accents throughout. Paint match mirrors as well as paint match door handles with chrome accents and a black and chrome assist step across the bottom of the vehicle. On the top, a chrome roof crossrail as well as our black rails. Moving all the way around to the back of the vehicle. At the bottom, we have a hidden trailer tow hitch. Also have Yukon XL, GMC, as well as chrome accents. Opening up the back, we have our powered liftgate with the release on the bottom. Inside the back of the vehicle, we have a 60/40 power folding bench seat. You can actually fold it directly from the back of the vehicle. On the same side, we have our folding 2nd row seats, 12-volt plug, as well as our all-weather Weathertech Mat. Lastly, to close the vehicle, we have our powered release as well as manual release on the right-hand side. Now moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power lock, a cup holder, as well as some storage and our speaker in the rest of the door. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. Between the 2 front seats on either side, we have a 120-volt plug and a 12-volt plug. Rear tri-zone climate control with auto as well as mode select and temperature and fan adjustments. Heated 2nd row seats. And then all of our audio inputs as well as our inputs for our DVD player. Some storage in the bottom. 2nd row seats are the same as the front row, our cocoa and shale leather finish. We have dual captains in the 2nd row. You can fold these seats down, all we have to do is lift up. We can also fold them straight from the back of the vehicle. 3rd row, we have a 60/40 power fold bench split, also in that same leather finish. On either side, cup holders and storage, and a 12-volt plug. Passenger side also has storage as well as a cup holder. On the roof above, we have one of our 2 DVD screens as well as our vents. On the front row, we also have our DVD screen. All we have to do is press and we can turn it on. You can see above, we have all of our screen controls as well as our DVD entertainment system. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walkaround of the 2017 GMC Yukon XL. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.